Hey guys, welcome to Keeping with Jagger. Today I'm going to be unboxing two mini cubes that I ordered for my keys, so we'll get right into it here. Okay, so taking out the first puzzle, it's a mini 3x3, and taking out the second, it is a mini panda. And then we just have the business card and receipt, and it's a pretty cool business card. Also, in case you noticed, my camera should be looking a little bit better because I did get a new phone, so that's very exciting. But yeah, so I guess we'll just start with the probably more boring of the two, just the normal mini cube. And so I just recently got my driver's permit, so I will be having fun keys now, I guess. So I actually will be keeping the keychain on this cube, so we can try out some turning. And honestly, that's not super bad. I will do a quick solve here, and just for that I'm going to take off the keychain because that makes it a lot harder. But we'll just turn on this stack mat and mix it up quick. Okay, so we have this scrambled here, and I think we can just get into a solve. So here we go. Gotta make the cross and then move on to F2L. Oh man, I have not cubed enough today because this is going very badly. Well, actually, not so bad, but it's kind of weird because this little keychain hook that the thing attaches to is kind of getting in the way. And oh, this algorithm is not good for this cube because it uses so many M moves, but there we go, 2890 or 2846, sorry. And then I think that's about it for that cube. But here we have a panda cube, and oh man, that box is hard to open, but it's a fun little panda on the box, and there's the keychain, and you can set that off to the side, move this out of the way too, and try to take this out. So yeah, here we go. That is really awesome looking. So this is just a normal 2x2, but just in the shape of a panda and also a keychain. So yeah, I guess we'll just mess up the panda, which is not normally what you would say, but here we are. And then see if we can solve it. And I'm gonna try to use Ortega, but I don't know how well that's gonna go on this, but yeah, I guess we'll just see. So that looks pretty scrambled to me. I think my plan is to start with the face, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, now we need an earpiece. Come on. I don't know if that's the right one, but we'll just kind of go with it. And there's that. And, oh god. We'll try this. I don't know if this is the right move, but, speaking of the butt, it's not in the correct spot, and this is already taking longer than 3x3. That's just lovely. So I think after this we will have it solved, and I think last algorithm here, and yes, there we go, 4761. Epic. So yeah, this cube is really funny, and I think like the entire back, like these two pieces can switch and these two pieces can switch, and yeah, so it's so funny looking, but I really like it. So yeah, I will put the keychains on these, and I will show you guys them with my keys. And yeah, so oh man, that's very tight, but there's that. And now put this one on, but this is what I was talking about, that little weird thing that makes it kind of weird to solve on, but it's not too big of a deal. And there we go. So we got these two here, and I'll go put them on my keys. Okay, so here they are. We've got the keys and the cubes on the end. So that is actually really, really awesome in my opinion. I might see if I can make it so that these chains aren't so long, but we'll just have to see. But yeah, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this unboxing. It's pretty awesome in my opinion, so yeah, and another 2 cubes in the collection, so can't go wrong with that. But yeah, so anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what to do. And anyway, don't twist me corners on my way. Bye!